Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome back to David R.C. Basher. I do have some cheaper items, loading trucks, dump trucks for kids. Yes, they are from Top Race, fully functional, 6-channel. I'm gonna unbox these real quick, give them a look over. Check these out. 1/18 scale. Not bad. Not bad for a kid's toy. Give these a quick look over. These will be going to the kids, playing a little sand. So I'm give them a quick unboxing. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and get this started. And let's see here. Alright. Front loader. Have to get this on charge. Go ahead and do that now. That out of there. Yes. That is metal. It does have a metal bucket. And the dump truck, I did get the loader. Everything's scale. Nail it. Nice. Oh. Nice. Yeah, let's see how close you can get to the dump truck without falling in the gap there. Hand of God. Perfect.
Go dump the truck. Hey, what's up? Thanks for watching the video. We're going to give a small breakdown on the trucks. Each joystick does control one side of the truck, so it's kind of like a track hoe or a skid steer, either one. The bucket, let's see here, the bucket goes off, it's just on a roundabout. Hold one button all the way down. Cycles all the way through. It's good for a child to play with. Makes sense. Easy to play with. Control. Yeah, I would approve it for a kid in a sandbox. As for the front loader, still same setup as a skid steer. The bucket does not cycle through. You got to click. Keeps you from wearing out any gears. That's all right. It doesn't lift a lot, but it's okay for the basics for a, well, we had a 2-year-old out here running these, has a ball with them. And that's about it. Thanks for watching, guys.